Hello students, so today I am going to tell you how to draw a square root spiral. For this, first we will draw a line segment, and at one end I will mark a point B, and I am taking 1 unit distance, which is actually equal to 5 centimeter on the ruler, and this AB is equal to 1 unit. Then I am drawing a perpendicular line at B, the length of which is also equal to 1 unit. This point I am naming as the point C. So now I will join this line AC, and I will draw an arc whose center will be A and radius will be equal to AC. So like this. After this I have to draw one more perpendicular line at the point C, and the length of this perpendicular line should also be equal to 1 unit. For this I am using a different color, because when the spiral is completed we will get one floral pattern, and I am naming this point as D. So DC is also equal to 1 unit. Then I will join AD. Again at the point D I have to draw one more perpendicular of 1 unit. This I am calling as point E, and I will join the points DE. And also I will join the points E and A. So now this length AC which I got, let me make it completely with one color. Let me make this line also with blue color. So this line segment AC is equal to root 2 units by Pythagoras theorem. 1 square plus 1 square, AB square plus BC square will be equal to AC square. Similarly, if this is root 2 units and this is 1 unit, then this will be equal to root 3 units. This will be equal to root 4 units, and so on. So every consecutive line that I will get will be square root of the next number. Now from E also I will draw one perpendicular of unit length. I am using set square to draw the perpendiculars, so that you need not to measure with protractor your 90-degree angles. So the baseline will be along with AE, and simply fix the set square like this, and you will get the perpendicular. And every time we have to take the perpendicular as 1 unit length only. Again, after point F, join AF, and AF will be equal to root 5 units. Now after this I will draw root 6 units. At F I will draw one perpendicular. I will take this base AF and a 90-degree angle at F using the set square. Length should be equal to 1 unit only, and I get the points G. I will join G and A, and AG will be equal to root 6 units. I am extending my line, base line, the line AB, so that you will know when your square root spiral goes beyond the baseline. Now I will be drawing root 7. So take the line AG as the base of the set square and 190-degree angle at G, and the length I will take will be again 1 unit. So this is the point that I get. This point I will name as H, and I will join AH. Now if I go for root 8, I will cross the line and the spiral will come downwards. So this is equal to actually root 7 units, you can label it, and all these lengths are of 1 unit each. If you use any color combination, then this will look like petals of a flower. So please do the labeling carefully so that we get the outcome as desired. So now this represents root 2, this AC represents root 2, this represents root 3, and this represents root 4, this represents root 5, this represents root 6, and this represents root 7. I have not drawn the arcs, only one arc I have drawn. We need not draw all the arcs here, only we are showing how much the length in roots, how much the length irrational number represents. So this is known as a square root spiral, and this is how we are going to construct it. Thank you.